Bitcoin has been absolutely crazy for the last few days and just crushed the $50,000 mark. The moment it happened, everyone on social media went nuts with hundreds of posts that Bitcoin is going to the moon. The third phase of a bull market has come in. Lambo when, Lambo soon, and all that FOMO stuff. But pay attention to what I'm going to show you here, because I think this stuff is important and almost no one is talking about them, so make sure you stick around. Now, I'm a Bitcoin maxi and I'm hyper bullish. Everything is in line for some big returns. The crazy buying pressure from the ETFs, halving in 2 months, indicators are strong. Almost everything is saying we are about to witness some god candles. But I've also been quite a while in crypto now to know that you should never be 100% sure which direction the market is going. That's what separates crypto OGs from influencers making videos with bold titles on every percentage Bitcoin moves. The OGs know that the market is unpredictable and anything can happen. No matter the indicators, no matter anything. And as you can see at the moment, all content creators are in uptrend wave. Bitcoin only up from here, 100k in 2 months, new all-time high before halving and all that. Now any of those things can happen. But you also must be prepared for the downside. And I guess I'll be the bearer of bad news and give you some interesting things that are happening right now that may stop your FOMO for a bit and open your eyes on what is happening in the market. First off is the Bitcoin monthly returns. Since the last red candle in August, Bitcoin is up almost 70% in less than 6 months, with February not even closed yet. The only time we had 6 consecutive green candles was in 2021 and then got a correction of more than 40%. We also know that corrections happened around the previous halvings. Yes, times are different, the narrative is too strong and the institutional demand is boosting the price crazy, but there is no asset that goes up only. And if we want to set up ourselves for a good bull run after the halving, we need to have a healthy correction. By no means Bitcoin can break these records, and maybe we can have 7, 8 or even 10 consecutive green candles on monthly returns for the first time in its history. But the more this upside continues, the bigger the fall it would be eventually. In my opinion, the perfect way things should happen is a correction in March, 20, 25, even 30%, which will be the perfect setup for a healthy start for the bull market after the halving. The second thing I want to talk about is the famous Fear and Greed Index. Today it's hitting 79 points for the first time in 2 years. The last time this happened was in November, on the day Bitcoin reached its all-time high of 69k and then quickly lost around 7% of that. So the indicator states extreme greed now, and we can easily agree on that with all the FOMO out there. People started focusing too much on trading analysis and all kinds of trendy indicators that they started forgetting the most simple ones that sometimes do wonders. This happens because the hype is enormous, but mostly in the imaginary Bitcoin bubble, or so to say, people who understand, like, or have invested in it. The wave of new people is still not here in my opinion. Mainstream media is not showcasing the crypto space hugely yet. That will probably happen once we break the old all-time high. The 50k mark was quite an important one, but even more important is breaking out of 52, 53, 54k. If that happens, I can easily see it going for a new all-time high. But at this moment I can see it being a good thing. Also, quite a lot of Bitcoin is ready to be released into the market soon. You know, FTX, Mt, Gox, all that is left from Grayscale, Bitcoin that was seized from governments and all that. It's also worth mentioning the macroeconomic situation. It's always a theme as most of us can feel the inflation and higher interest rates, and even the conflicts that are happening reacting to our lives. So we never know what kind of a black swan event is behind the corner. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, I would appreciate if you can like and subscribe for the channel, and see you next time.